Hey guys, back to do another review on a weld machine. In our company, we've used the Miller. I think they're like Maxstar 180s, and we've been using the ESOB. I can't remember the name of it. The ESOB, that's similar like 180. We use those a lot in the plants when we're got to pack a welding machine up some stairs or whatever. And so we use these small machines, and we've been on the search for something because ESOB decided they don't want to sell to small guys. So we have to buy ESOB through the big box stores, and we kind of want to have something to sell in our store. So me and Rick went to the Fab Tech in Atlanta, Georgia. And we were walking around, and we run into a company called Forney. And so I'm going to do a little demo today on the Forney. It's a 180 ST stick TIG welder. It's called a Forney Easy Weld. And so I just kind of set up a couple things here. One of the main things that we will use the Forney for is just taking it around and doing small jobs. Of course, we use them a lot. We use these smaller machines quite a bit for a lot of our welding in the food plant. So I'll just kind of get this thing opened up here. Right out of the box. We got it right out of the box. I think this machine retails for $500–600. I'm not exactly sure. You've got your 110, looks like. I should have left my knife out. So it's got the jumper for 110 to 220, so it'll run on either one. Let's look at that here. Yeah. So 220, 110. Get this thing opened up here. And one of the problems we've been having with the Millers is they've been burning up. Like, they don't last but a year or two. And we've even had some of the ESOPs come back, and you know, we kind of treat these weld machines as a consumable anyway. But we've had them last a lot longer than that in the past, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but it's a real pain. So we've been kind of in the searching, so I'm excited to try this one out. Obviously, we're not going to burn this one up today, but I'm going to put it in the rotation, see how it holds up for the guys, and maybe do a follow-up video, how well it lasted. But Forney, they've been around for 90 years. They're celebrating 90 years of being in business. They're out of Fort Collins, Colorado, which is, I have a lot of family from that area. And in fact, I think my uncle, he worked for him back in probably the '60s. I don't know what it was. So let's see, we're gonna be TIG welding. So this is my stinger. So it's gotta go on the straight polarity. I would assume we're not, well, it does have a stick in it. I wonder if you have to change polarities. Huh, I guess we'll find out, won't we? Guess I should have done some of this before I got the video going. And I'll bring you guys in here and kind of show you the front of it, the welding machine here in a little bit. I'll just hook this right here. Hook this in right there. Rock chair. So I went and, let's see, I'm just gonna plug this in right over here. Yeah, I'll just plug it direct in. I got 20 amp breakers in my shop here. Let's see, here's the power button. There we go. We got electricity. So I'm gonna be setting this up kind of similar to what, how we use them in our industry. We just leave the stingers on them. I sheared up some plate. I found this in the scrap bin, just a little piece. This is 3/16 diamond plate, deck plate. That's what, something that, pretty typical of something that we'd be welding together. And so guys, you can't see this in the view, but I've got my argon bottle over here, got a gas regulator hooked up, got our snatch block here with the gas, and then the TIG torch comes right in here. And I'm just gonna hook the stinger right up to this, okay, to get our power, and just let that kind of hang out over there. I got the ground right here, okay. I need some gloves. Look at that, Chad. I got my stinger here. All right. Now let's see if we got our gas. Oh yeah. One of the things that I'm kind of curious about is how well she starts. So I'm going to tack this on here. Here we go, first time. Ooh, we ain't got no electricity. Gotta turn it up. Still not enough. Oh, let's see. I gotta go all the way up. Oh, looks like it only does 80 amps on one pin. There we go. Finally. That might be a problem. It only does 80 amps on 110, so let's get some. I like how it starts off. Okay, let's see what we can do here. It does strike off really nice. Well, she does okay. 80 amps though is all you get on 110, it looks like. It's not quite enough. I mean, it does okay, but it's not quite enough for this heavy stuff. I might have to try 110. I know 220 will work fine. I like how it starts off though. She just don't have enough juice in her on 110. So let me get you on in here. So what we got, I mean, it's a nice face on it. I like the face. You got TIG stick over there. I mean, it's real simple. And we got, it's like, you know, your power fan. It's good, but I mean, I had to really struggle here to get any heat out of it. I tried dip and moving. This I kind of washed a little bit on this side. So, well, it is the same. Okay, let me get this, plug this in. Okay, now we're on 220. Yup, fires right up. So, oof. Now this should be 120 amps, which is, this 120 amps, which is plenty for what we're welding on. Let's see what we got. Oh, I really do like how she lights off. Oh yeah, that's got much better. Oh yeah, we got some, boy, she welds really good. Boy, she dries out good too. Ooh, yeah. That roast, we got some color on that bad boy. Here, I'll show you, bring you guys in. Yeah, so we got, that was much better. You can see the cold, and we put her into 220 and we was able to melt right in. And it starts off good and it dries out good, so they're onto something, but boy, I wish it got a little bit hotter on 110. That's the only thing. So I don't know, if you guys want to see more, that's, I'm used to having, I turn my gas off. I'm used to having an auto shut off. Anyways, so guys, that's my review. Like I said, maybe I'll do a follow-up video, just kind of seeing how she holds up in the fleet. You know, everyday use, the banging it around, see if it survives the guys. So that's it for now. Let's see, I'm trying to think what else. So we'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to do a few more reviews here and there, and we'll see you next time.